When I stepped out of my house to come here and participate in this show, I wasn't expecting the co-models here to be this friendly and this nice.
Naya din, naya fashion drill. And we are back at your drill arena.
It doesn't matter how long you have been business or how old you have been business. What matter is how good you are in business.
I'm going to ask you, आप में से कौन इस ड्रिल अरीना को सबसे ज्यादा मिस करेगा? सबके हाथ ऊपर गए. I'm going to miss all of you. I'm going to really miss all of you.
They have become like a second family to me. I'm going to really miss the people out here.
आज आपका लास्ट दिन तो नहीं है, पर सेकंड लास्ट जरूर है. आज आपको वो फाइनल चांस मिलेगा टू प्रूव टू अस कि आप मॉडल ऑफ ऑनर बन सकते हैं, कि आप में फैशन ड्रिल के वो 4 Ds हैं. That you've got the daring, the determination, the discipline and the dedication.
जो भी पहले हुआ हो गया, अब जो है हम उसको अपना 500% देंगे और बेस्ट करेंगे.
This is your make or break moment. So please go out there today and give your best.
आज का लास्ट टास्क है. आई एम कीपिंग माई काम बिकॉज यही हेल्प करने वाला मुझे. इफ आई एम ओवरचार्ज तो मेरी एनर्जी वहाँ पे नहीं दिखेगी जहाँ पे दिखनी चाहिए.
आप जानना चाहते हो कि आपका फाइनल चैलेंज क्या है? हम अभी नहीं बताएंगे. हम आपको थोड़ा और तड़पाएंगे. आपको आज के चैलेंज का ब्रीफ देंगे सुबी सैमुअल, जो आपके आज के शूट के सेटअप को तैयार कर रहे हैं. इस चैलेंज के लिए द गर्ल्स विल हैव अ डिफरेंट सेटअप and the boys have a completely different setup. So who wants to go first, boys or girls? Boys! Whoa. Girls, you lost out?
They just outnumbered us, so we could only hear them.
I think they were quicker.
We are just giving them a chance.
See, the confidence. Best of luck, everybody, boys and girls. इस आखिरी मौके को अच्छी तरह से यूज कीजिए. And give us all fantastic pictures. Give us all you've got.
अपने कंपटीशन को मार गिराने का ये है इनका आखिरी मौका. लेकिन before that, it's hair and makeup time.
See, we've used the tattoo range of Maybelline, which is really interesting. If you see here, we've done like colored wing liners, vibrant mouth. As you see, it's a bow today for the girls. They wanted to keep it clean yet very strong. So we decided on this look, and the crest has been really styled in a manner so that it just goes with this theme.
इस आखिरी चैलेंज को परफॉर्म करेंगे हमारे बाइकर बॉयज. इनका सेटअप एक ग्रंजी सुपर माचो गराज सेटअप.
अब तक आप लोग ने जो कुछ भी ट्रेनिंग लिया है, जो कुछ आपने मेंटोर से सीखे हैं, इन दिस फाइनल राउंड आपको वो सब यूज करना है. दिस फोटो शूट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी एग्रेसिव. इट्स गॉट टू हैव द फील ऑफ अ स्ट्रीट फाइटर. सो आर यू रेडी टू मीट द लॉर्ड ऑफ द स्ट्रीट्स? The Yamaha FZ has got snazzy new colors, new graphics, और आपको इस बाइक के साथ पोज करना है.
यामा बाइक जो कि बहुत ही सुपर सेक्सी है. रोड्स पे देखोगे तो वो लगता है हाँ, that's something going on the streets.
This bike is already on the streets. इस फोटोशूट के थ्रू इस बाइक का सुपर स्टाइलाइज्ड एक नया वर्जन देखने मिलेगा. So get excited, get some energy in there, bring on the macho side of each one of you, and let's present this bike to the world out there. इस चैलेंज के लिए आपका टाइम लिमिट जो है वो 1 मिनट होगा और आपके पास 10 फ्रेम्स होंगे. ललित, since you won the previous round, we are going to give you 15 frames and we are going to give you 1.5 minute. आज के शूट में भी there is an element that will add to your level of difficulty. Sunny, will you just go pull that red cloth off? You have to balance yourself on these boots.
8 inches की तो उसमें सोल ऐड की हुई थी. उसके बाद वो बूट स्टार्ट होता है.
This is your final challenge, guys. So make the most of it.
Yes,
all the
sir.
best to all of you.
Thank you.
फैशन ड्रिल के आखिरी टास्क में ऊंचे बूट्स में खुद को बैलेंस करने की कोशिश सबसे पहले करेंगे ललित।
Time starts now. Keep moving, okay? Yeah. Nice. That's very good. Lalit, you know you're supposed to use props, no?
मैंने props वगैरह use नहीं किए because मेरे पास too many accessories already were there.
Your time is up, brother. Oh. उनके पास बहुत ही बड़ा advantage था, but he's blown it completely. Also, the big thing that went against him is that he was stuck to the bike. He didn't really use any of the props all around. Time has started up.
जब मेरी बारी आई तो मैंने कोई प्रॉप यूज़ नहीं किया. I use myself in that. I use my accessories to showcase me. Sorry. आदत नहीं है ऐसे बूट्स पहनने की, ऐसे हील्स पहनने की, तो we have to maintain ourselves कि एंकल ना मुड़ जाए, कुछ और ना हो जाए.
Your time is up, brother.
हमारे अगले बाइकर बॉय संजीव। Since he hasn't won a single badge of honor until now, we are sure he's going to give this one his absolute best.
Very good. Pick that up a little more. Yes.
Can I throw it in here?
You can try. Time's up. The one thing that goes in his favor is that he was willing to walk around. He was willing to, use props. Okay, Viren, your time begins now. Very nice. Viren, you know you have to move around.
सुबी सर ने ब्रीफिंग दी थी, वो मुझे लगता है मैंने ध्यान से सुनी नहीं. I was just playing with the bike, not with the props.
That's it. I saw a lot of variations in him, but I wish that he would have used a few more props. अरे तू क्या कर रहा है? तू ready तो बोल मेरे को.
Yes, sir, ready.
Thirty seconds up, Nayan. Very good. Well done.
Yep. The toughest part was the shoes, of course. Never ever worn in my life.
You've done 20 seconds. That's it. जैसे उसको कहा गया था, props use किए. He went and he sat down on the floor, which no one had done before that.
और फिर थी बारी हमारी pretty ladies की।
Hello girls, how are you all doing?
Very good.
आज आपका जो फोटोशूट है, उसमें आपके साथ एक co-model है, एक trendy, sporty, dynamic, the most awarded scooter of the year. I'd like to present to you the Yamaha Ray. Please say hello to your co-model.
Hello, beautiful.
We're going to give you only 45 seconds. And we are expecting each one of you to give us a minimum of 10 frames. Vishaka, because you won the previous round, we are going to give you a minute and a half.
Okay.
Okay? You girls ready now?
Yes.
Okay.
हमारी यामाहा रे टेनिस टीम की पहली चैंपियन प्रियंका।
जब मुझे बताया गया कि सिर्फ 45 सेकंड्स हैं, तो मैं थोड़ी टेंशन में आ गई कि इतनी जल्दी मैं 10 फ्रेम्स कैसे दे पाऊंगी.
Thank you.
मेरे हिसाब से मेरा टास्क इतना अच्छा नहीं गया जितना मैं करना चाहती थी.
प्रियंका के साथ ये एक प्रॉब्लम है कि उनका कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत जल्दी ड्रॉप हो जाता है. It's very difficult to pep her up and get her back into action. Okay, let's go.
45 seconds just started like this. कुछ समझ में नहीं आया कि क्या करना है नहीं करना है.
You may want to move from there. You are covering the brand. Hold on. Yeah, very good. Okay. I'm not very excited, but at the same time, we have to just wait and see what the others have to offer. Come on.
With this racket and ball?
What am I saying? Latin? I said use all the props that is there on the field, no?
विशाखा, वो बो आपके बालों पे बना है, कानों पे नहीं।
Okay. Thank you. Yes, ready. Time starts now.
I just sat on the bike and got comfortable with my body language and the posture which I was giving.
Let it flow. No, it looks better when it's flowing.
Am I not hiding this thing?
Yes, okay.
The costume which I was given was really flowy and I was checking it again and again if it covering the logo of the bike.
Nice, I like what you're doing. Beautiful shot.
I was thinking different, out of the box. I was like, let all my fears, let all my consciousness go and give it my best shot.
Okay, your time's done. You managed only 3 frames, but you've done a good job. I must tell you, I appreciate what you've done.
You guys are looking really charged up.
Yep.
Now that Sanjeev smiled, it looks even better. हमारे बगल में एक खाली chair है. By now, all of you know what that means.
Special guest.
Yes, it's a special guest judge. He is a supermodel, an actor, and of course, a thorough gentleman. Please welcome the very handsome, the very charming Rajneesh Dugal. Rajneesh, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
Okay, boys and girls, ये आपका final challenge था. It's time now to take a look at the pictures. Let's take a look at Lalit's photo.
Picture number 2 and 4 are very good.
I would agree with Rajneesh.
2 and 4,
Yeah,
right?
because the fourth picture, the expression also is perfect.
Yeah, like this is like a complete rugged, manly, bikey, very grungy feel.
Okay,
Great.
thank you. Next up, we have Priyanka. प्रियंका, क्या हो गया आपको आज?
मैंने अपनी फोटोज देख के मैं तो खुद ही डिसअपॉइंट थी, तो जजेस से तो क्या आशा करूं मैं कि क्या कमेंट मिलने वाले हैं.
I feel you lack confidence. You always like, unsure.
आप नर्वस हो जाती हैं, मत होइए.
जजेस से वही कमेंट मिले. ओवरऑल वो भी हैप्पी नहीं है मेरी फोटोज वगैरह से. होता है, अप एंड डाउन सब होता है लाइफ में.
I think pictures में बहुत दम है.
Thank you.
You have these shoes which are obviously quite impossible.
Yeah.
You've literally climbed on top of the bike, made the bike yours and posed with it. Very nice. Next up is Aarti.
I really like the first one. Bike is completely visible, your expressions like perfect. You can actually put it in a campaign.
You use your body really well, Aarti, considering you don't have that much of an advantage of the height.
Judges have liked it and I'm happy.
Next up is Viren.
I love the second and the third picture. I think they're very usable pictures.
I love the picture with him sitting and looking over his shoulder.
The expression is good.
Yeah, it's like a perfect shot actually.
Yeah.
Next up we have Dharmika. We don't have a fourth picture for you.
So we had said that we're done with the 3 shots. I'm pretty happy with the 3 shots. I'm not giving you the 4th one.
That's good.
Yeah, that's
So
very
you
good.
actually got all your 3 shots right.
You managed only 3 frames.
Yes.
But you've done a good job. I must tell you, I appreciate what you've done.
My favorite out of all of these was the first picture. मतलब उसमें product भी पूरा अच्छी तरह दिख रहा है.
Yeah.
And the body language, the expression, everything is in
Her
place.
expression is also perfect in this.
Yeah.
Dharmika, we like your pictures. Thank you very much.
You're nice, Nayan. Except for the second one when you looked a little awkward. Was it the shoes or were you... Because you looked like you were slipping off the bike.
वो मेरे पाँव बस मैं चाहता था कि सोल दिखाना पिक्चर में.
जूते का ऐड था कि बाइक का ऐड था? That has actually caused you to look a bit awkward, trying to show the shoe.
मुझे लगा कि ये शू मुझे मिले हैं, मुझे शो करने हैं पिक्चर में.
Next up, we have Sanjeev.
Sanjeev, you've come a long way.
Thank you so much.
I've seen you grow through all the tasks.
Confidence grow, your expressions have become better, your posing has become better.
Thank you so much.
I heard you were doing a lot more with the props. Can you see the bottle?
Yeah.
He actually flung the bottle up and his...
Good improvisation.
Thank you.
Next up is Vishakha.
पहली 2 पिक्चर्स में आपने बाइक का फ्रंट पार्ट कवर कर दिया एंड द नेक्स्ट 2 you've gone too way back in the background. None of them makes a complete picture.
जब ऑफ कैमरा होती हूँ मैं ज़्यादा अच्छी पोजेस दे देती हूँ, जब सूबी सर सामने होते हैं मैं थोड़ी नर्वस हो जाती हूँ.
Finally, we have Sunny. Please come out.
I've always maintained you're photogenic, but in these pictures you actually show that you're a good model.
Thank you.
You pose well, your attitude is perfect. I like them, well done.
Thank you so much.
This was the final challenge. This was the make or break moment.
Out of the guys, the winner is Sanjeev.
When all 3 of just said it together, 1, 2, 3, my heart said Sanjeev Rathi. Today was the toughest task. These days where I have been with the best people in the business, I have showed them that अगर मेरे को थोड़ा भी time perform करने के लिए मिला, I came close, and actually I took it from them.
The winner out of the females is Dharmika.
I was like really happy when I won the badge of honor. I was like, finally.
एक दिन और बाकी है. कल होगा हमारा ग्रैंड फिनाले. मैं आप सबको एक चीज और बताना चाहूंगी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द मॉडल ऑफ ऑनर, कल आप 2 और टाइटल्स जीत सकते हैं. One is the Tresemme girl for the one with the best hair, and 2 is the Maybelline girl for the one who has looked her best in all the tasks. It's a wrap, guys.
Zoom Fashion Drill के